close to the freeway and lots of stores. Right as you walk in, you have the living room. It's pretty spacious. And the big windows. And then over here, you have a little closet with tons of cabinets for storage. And then right over here is the bathroom. A shower and a tub. And then here's bedroom 1. Here's bedroom 2. And this one has some cute shelves behind the door. A closet with some extra space up there. And this property does have brand new carpet and brand new paint. It's bedroom 3. And then right over here is the dining room area and the kitchen. And here is the backyard. Nice and big. And the kitchen has tons of cabinets and storage. And then over here, there's a spot for washer dryer hookups and some more storage. And then out here is the garage. And then you can go down there just for more storage space.